To cancel a Substack subscription, follow these steps. Log into Substack. Visit Substack and log into your account using your credentials. Navigate to your subscriptions. After logging in, click on your profile icon in the top right corner and select Settings from the drop-down menu. Manage subscriptions. In the Settings menu, click on Subscriptions. Here, you will see a list of all the publications you're currently subscribed to. Select the subscription to cancel. Find a specific publication or newsletter you want to cancel. Click on it to view the subscription details. Cancel your subscription. On the subscription page, you will see an option to manage subscription or cancel subscription. Click on it. Confirm cancellation. You may be asked to confirm the cancellation. Once confirmed, your subscription will be cancelled and you will no longer receive updates or access premium content from that particular Substack. Check your email. After cancelling, you may receive a confirmation email confirming the cancellation of your Substack subscription.